David. Got a few things to do. Yeah. So, well, sé gheamhraidh han, agus ha iad Gheamhradh fat na haich, agus, well, chan na bacon, na cyrdig, no, cro, chon so, féim sy'n beilig yn ychydig amach, gaif, ham doch yn beil o sio, amach, chon yn haraf, hamwych yn haraf hast na ho, agus beilig yn bach chon y cyrdig, so gaif lwt bach biog y joc. Ach, mas gian mi hwlw cael asyn, fa bodach yn olag lwt bach fataloch an ho, agus na president fa bachorfydd Gian son wan yn olag, chadanig ad. David?
Yes?
Ha Santa been yet?
I've not got my Christmas present from Sweeny yet.
How not?
Because I've not got it.
Am I slow?
Yes.
Take your gloves off and your jacket off. And maybe take your hat off as well so we can see.
Yeah.
Got to see your beautiful face anyway, David.
I am beautiful.
First one is a t-shirt.
Oh, nice one. Again.
What does that say?
Ness.
And then on the back?
Oh yeah, Ness, #1 fan.
That's you!
All right.
How's that look?
For smart.
You hold that up. I've got something else for you as well, David.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Nice one.
Remember after we were working on the cows down in Europe?
Oh yeah.
What was I calling you?
Oh yeah. The cowboy thing.
David is the Yoruba cowboy.
Oh, right.
Now, what were you telling me? What happened to me last week, David?
I want the rules. I want you to be careful with
safety.
Safety.
And what did I do?
He got cut.
By
one
of the cows.
The cows.
Is that, and how did it happen? Was that just me? Was it my fault?
I don't want you going in the hospital or that.
Well, I was in hospital.
I know you're in the hospital. But would you be very careful what you're doing?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, David. Since you asked nicely, I'll be careful.
Good.
Next time, I'll throw you in the woods.
No, you will not.
Right, you go get changed.
Okay.
David yn cwni cwad yma chyfo hon. So chwola, charwa cwlwr mynd a hachad aidjar, nid chyddi hydd cyn am achas. A chiawl ahath, ia, jolaf. So a trotter mynd a hannig a nios fan, you gotta be careful! So, ach siwta, cwad yma chyfo hon, so. Ja, 5 mwy feicilwch. Dwi'n starting yn tractor. Han moet de seòrsa raad, lesje vele. Dus je veel meer krijgen als je een haraf desperate zo'n bier in de raast. Had je ook die ene gram naar je gaat lijntje naar je la. Ga dan maar naar hen die jullie bier. Right, boat, come here. Oh. Yeah. I do have to time it. Time a cast all right. Let's do just. Hey, fheàrr nu. Ach, zo'n hier niet. Gaan jullie nu ook tot kusbuur in het beetje niet jar. Gevaarschil en rij maakt je hem. Biad alright. Ach, net had vloeg. Gaan jullie aan je chance ach. So, at alright. Ras, dan gaan achter zorgen. Gaan je fheàrr aan. Three, 2, 1. Come on, David.
Come on, David.
Heavy, yeah?
Yep.
What does she do when you stop?
This is more.
She wants more. Oh!
Oh, I've got a message to my niece,
Message to your niece.
Ellie.
Uh-huh.
I want you to come up here and see me. Look after me a lot.
I'm looking after you.
No.
Yes, I am.
I want Ellie to come up. We holiday all that. And I miss her so much. So I want you here. Please come up.
David! That was you!
That's not me.
I tried that.
Do what?
Put all that down there.
No, you didn't. I thought it would come down.
Ta-da.